Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 6, linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Okay, already you have learned what is constant and what is variable. A variable is a letter or symbol used to represent a value that can change. For example, x, y, z, a, b, like this. Okay. A constant is a value that does not change. Constant. What is constant? A constant is a value that does not change. Example, numbers, all numbers, 4, 10, 25, like this. Okay. Here, students listen. Now, take these examples. X plus 5 equal to 6, y minus 7 equal to 8, 2x equal to 16, y by 2 equal to 20. Okay, here these are linear equations in one variable. How can I say? Because we are using one variable. X is one variable here, y one variable, here x is variable, here y is variable. But equations here involving addition. This equation using addition. Okay, we can write this equation using addition, and this is using subtraction, and this is using multiplication, and this is using division. Is it clear, students? Good. Now take this equation 2x plus 5, that is equal to 35. Before seeing this, students listen. What is an equation? An equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. Once again, an equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. Now, take this equation 2x plus 5, that is equal to 35. Is this linear equation or not? Yes, linear equation, because linear equation in one variable, because x one variable is here. Okay, 5 constant, other numbers are constant. Okay, now take this equation 2x plus 5, that is equal to 35. 2x, that is equal to 35 minus 5. Students listen. Here 5, this number, it moves to right hand side, it becomes negative sign. This is positive sign. 5 has positive sign. If it moves right hand side, it becomes minus. So 35 minus 5. 2x, that is equal to 30. Here, students listen. 2 into x. This is constant. This is variable. Okay. There is multiplication in between this. There is multiplication. 2 into x. Like 2 into x. Okay. Students listen. Here, if it moves to right hand side, it becomes division. So x is equal to 30 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 15 2s are 30. So x is equal to 15. Okay. Now you can check it. How do you check it? 2x plus 5, that is equal to 35. So 2, x value is 15. So put the value 15 here. And 5, that is equal to 35. 2 15s are 30. Plus 5, that is equal to 35. So 35, that is equal to 35. Okay, students. So your answer is right. X is equal to 15 is right. How can you say this? How can you say it sure? Because if you check it, if we check it, both sides, left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have the same answer. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, because the definition of equation is, an equation is a mathematical statement in which two expressions are equal. So left hand side it should be equal to right hand side. Then only we can say that is equation. Otherwise we cannot say that is an equation. Is it clear, students? Good. Listen, students. Next, we will work with 4 kinds of equations. First, take this x plus 5 equal to 6, equation involving addition. Okay, x plus 5, that is equal to x 6. Now you have to find the x value. How do you find x? You just keep the x left hand side. Okay, then that is equal to 6. If it moves right hand side, it becomes minus because already it has positive. So it becomes minus. X is equal to 6 minus 5, 1. So what is the x value is 1. You can check it. How do you check? Put the x value, x plus 5, that is equal to 6. Put the x value here, 1 plus 5, that is equal to 6. So 1 plus 5, 6, that is equal to 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So your answer is right. Is it clear, students? This is equation involving addition. Then second one, equation involving subtraction. Take this, y minus 7 equal to 8. So y minus 7, that is equal to 8. Y equal to, you have to keep the variable in left hand side only. Okay, then all the constant terms you have to move to right hand side. Then only you can get easily answer. You can get the answer easily. Is it clear? So y, that is equal to 8 minus 7 here. If it moves to right hand side, it becomes plus. So plus 7. You just change the sign. Is it clear? So y equal to 15. How can you check it? Just put the equation here and put the value y equal to 15. So 15 minus 7, that is equal to 8. 15 minus 7, 8. Good. So 8 equal to 8. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So your answer is right. Is it clear? Good. Next, equation involving multiplication. Take this. 2x equal to 16. Here multiplication is there in between. So 2 into x equal to 16, or otherwise directly you can put 2x equal to 16. X equal to, if it moves to right hand side, it becomes division. So 16 by 2. 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16, x is equal to 8. Okay, put the value in this equation. 2 of 8, that is equal to 16. 2 8s are 16, that is equal to 16. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear, students? Good. Then take y by 2. So equations involving division. Equations involving division. Y by 2, that is equal to 20. You have to know the y value only. So you have to keep y left hand side. Y in left hand side. That is equal to 2 here. If it moves to right hand side, then it becomes multiplication. Good. 20 into 2. So y is equal to 40. Y equal to 40. You just put the value. Y by 2 equal to 20. So 40 by 2 equal to 20. 1 2s are 2. 22s are 40. So 20, that is equal to 20. Both side, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear, students? Good. Thank you.